His hands are a little down, Alejandro. That could be
Yeah, I think that
dangerous.
just is... Oh!
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ng video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. November 23, 2019. Lumaban sa pang-apat na pagkakataon itong ating pambato ni si Jhon Gemino sa bansang Amerika para muling magpakitang gilas at ipamalas ang kanyang angking lakas. Makakaharap na dito ang undefeated at knockout artist na Amerikano na si Arnold Alejandro. May mabigat na kamao itong kalaban mga pre. Sa kanilang laban, bit-bit ni Alejandro ang malinis na record na 11 wins, 0 loss, 10 dito via knockout. Habang itong Pinoy na si Gemino ay dala-dala naman ang kartada na 21 wins, 12 losses, 1 draw, 10 dito via knockout. Non-title fight at nag-schedule lang sa 8 rounds. Undercard sila ng labang Wilder versus Ortiz 2. Sa mismong gabi ng bakbakan, tunay na bakbakan ang nasaksihan. Kahit dayo itong Pinoy sa Amerika ay di ito nakitaan ng takot. Sa halip ay nagpakita ito ng kumpiyansa na kaya niyang patumbahin itong knockout artist at dungisan ang malinis na kartada nitong kalaban.
Filipino fighters always with just because they love Pacquiao so
Yeah, they
much.
love Manny so much, yeah.
Should be a good one.
Matapos ang unang minuto lang sa unang round, bagsak na agad ang kalaban.
Combinations by both fighters missing.
Gemino knocked out Toko.
Oh, down goes Alejandro!
With that same shot, he KO'd Toko Khan.
Talagang nagulat at namangha ang kanilang mga tagahanga, pati komentator ay di makapaniwala.
Gemino could capitalize on this, showing that Pinoy power right now in those punches. He's coming forward. Big hook there. Exchanging now on the inside. Alejandro moving back.
Keeping his
Alejandro's corner telling him, hey, everything's okay. Keep calm, keep calm. Gemino continues to move forward. Throwing punches.
Alejandro's arsenal.
Yeah, and he doesn't want to get caught coming in because he is rushing in with
Alejandro. He felt the punching power right away. As we see here, trying to get inside Gemino, and that was
sneaky little shot right there.
Right down, he went down. So he was not expecting that. He came with the left hook and left himself wide open. Something that Gemino took advantage of. He wanted to finish him off, but he covered well.
Sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds, tuloy pa rin ang laban. Bagamat mas agresibo pa rin itong Pinoy, ay di naman nagpapalugi itong si Alejandro. Kumaka-counter at nakakatama din ng mga solidong mga kamao.
Having a high guard.
When you step up in competition, you see how some more Alejandro.
Good exchange there by both these guys. Gemino pawing with that jab, Alejandro. The punches that he does throw, doesn't want to get caught again with any big. Good exchange, both fighters landing there.
Round where it should have happened in the first round, but he already tasted the canvas, Alejandro, so he has to pick up his pace.
Gemino doing a good job of keeping his foot on the outside of Alejandro's lead foot. Both fighters
Him there with that left, so that could be the recipe for him for the rest of the round.
So come down to the final seconds of this round number 2. Good exchange there. He might not be getting these rounds because of his activity. He's just not throwing enough.
He's regaining it. I saw a little more in the second.
Good exchange.
Column in 0 is Alejandro, but he has a tough cookie now here in Gemino.
Oh, it's a big challenge for him.
Harder than your opponent.
It's good straight there by Alejandro. Not the round in the beginning, or start at the fight.
You will get that first round. Seeing Gemino, I don't know how he has 12 losses because he looks like an established fighter. Pressure.
So we take a look back at the action from round number 3. Felix, take us through it.
Yeah, that left by Alejandro, another one, but Gemino kept fighting back.
Step up for Alejandro in this fight. So we begin round number 4 here at the MG.
They told him, be calm. You'll get to him. Let's see if it...
The counter missing is right. Was Alejandro.
Gemino was doing much better inside. Now he's taking it outside, and that's to the Gemino could do to counter that.
Aggressiveness can work against you.
Could be dangerous. It was dangerous for Alejandro in the first round.
is keeping Gemino at bay.
Yeah,
Good
much
series
better
of
round.
punches there from him.
From the outside now. Doesn't want to feel that.
Alejandro digging to the body. 3-punch combination. Follows it up to the body again. He's doing good work now.
Yeah, Gemino has slowed down definitely since the first round.
Well, he's on his way there. If you give him the last round, good straight just now. And then this round, he's doing really well. He's getting back in there.
He would need to, keep this up going for a while. Oh, Gemino comes back. It's the best we've seen from him in a while.
Another good round for Alejandro.
Hold him down. As we see Alejandro looking for an opening. That left jab in there. Again, he's just trying to get in and using the distance. That was flush. And a nice little block there by Gemino. So,
Fifth round, tuloy pa rin ang bakbakan. Mas sumusugod pa rin itong ating kababayan. Tila di umubra ang pagiging knockout artist nitong si Alejandro.
Robert Garcia. So we begin round number 5 here at the MGM Grand. Alejandro fighting his...
you kind of know that you have to battle. That's what Alejandro's...
excuse me, Alejandro very methodical with his punches. Look like that, just evaded 6 punches there.
So there's skills.
At matapos ang 1 minuto, sa gitna ng palitan, nahuli ng isang mala-disaster na kamao itong si Alejandro at bagsak ito na parang troso.
Success over the course of these 5 rounds.
Gemino look... His hands are a little down, Alejandro. That could be
Yeah, I think that's
dangerous.
just his... Oh!
I told you!
I don't think he's gonna get up, Felix. It's all over. Jhon Gemino won a punch.
Di na ito nakatayo pa sa bilang. Nalasap ang tunay na lakas ng Pinoy. 1-punch knockout mula kay Jhon Disaster Gemino. Tulala ang mga boxing fans at pati mga commentator ay talagang napahanga sa sobrang lakas ng kamao ni Gemino.
As we see
my
here.
goodness.
Boom!
Ooh,
Down. That's it. He's out.
he's out. Oh, man.
What a right by Gemino. We told you he looked
Look
a little
at
better
this.
in the 5th round. And down he went.
What a knockout. He knew right away.
Makikitang nabasag ang ilong nitong undefeated na prospect at knockout artist na kalaban. Ang inakalang madaling laban lang na pandagdag sana ng napakaganda niyang kartada ay nauwi sa disgrasya sa kamay ng Pinoy na may bansag na disaster o sa Tagalog ay sakuna. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa videong ito? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba.
That record is deceiving.
Yeah, deceiving.
This kid's a fighter.
That needs to be included in one of the top knockouts.
For your winner by knockout, Jhon the Disaster Gemino.
So we see a victorious Jhon Gemino now improving his record to 21-12-1 with the 11 knockouts, getting that huge knock.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.